Do you love him? He's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, a snake!
Don't touch it! You're gonna hurt his face.
He's on my bike!
He likes it.
My bike?
He's never ridden a bike before.
Whee!
No. Stay here with him.
What's the promotion? Well, there's one. And I want to name him Friendly.
You want to name him Friendly?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good name.
How about Good?
I thought you called him Ferocious. He seems nice.